Hello children, today we are going to study a new lesson, a cup of cha. A little girl Meera got a chance to go on a hillside with her ma and baba. They passed the river and trees and started climbing up the hill. While climbing, Meera started running in order to catch the clouds. As her parents were left behind, Meera shouted, "Ma, Baba, hurry up before the sun sets." Ignoring to Meera's shout, her mother says that she loves the smell of fresh air. Meera in reply says she loves the fragrance or smell of flowers and the rough sound of the fallen leaves which come under her feet. While walking, Baba could smell something which he loved. It was a cup of milky cha. He moves towards the place from where the pleasant tea smell was coming. On reaching the tea stall, Baba says to Cha wala Dada, "Can we have 2 cups of tea and a small cup for Meera?" Cha wala Dada says, "Yes," and lights the stove with the match and puts the pan of water on the fire. When the water starts boiling, Dada pours some milk into the pan in which water was boiling. Meera, who was constantly looking at the preparation of tea, when she saw the mixing of milk with water, she said, "Ma, see how the milk color is mixed with water." Ma, on seeing Meera's excitement, said, "You just keep on seeing what happens when the tea leaves are added." Meera, with patience, waited for 2 minutes and then, with a surprise, shouted, "It is changing its color again." She said, this because when the milk was poured in boiling water, the color became white, and now when the tea leaves were added, the color became brownish. Now Meera asks Cha wala Dada whether the tea is ready. He says, "Almost ready." Then Dada, with the help of strainer, pours 3 cups of tea, leaving behind the waste tea leaves in the strainer. Then he added sugar in the tea. When Dada was adding tea in the teacups, it reminded Meera about her house, where Ma and Baba, when they used to make tea, she loved to listen to the tinkling sound of the spoon and coming out against the cups. While Meera was continuously looking into the cups, she saw that sugar is now no more seen, as it was dissolved in the tea. Now, when Meera sees that the sugar has disappeared, she tells her parents, "Now it is ready." So, this is how the story ends. Children, now let us read the story. Meera runs up the hill past the river and the trees, all the way to the top, chasing the clouds. Look here, children, the word chasing means running after something to catch up with. She climbs up, up, up without a stop. Ma, Baba, hurry please before the sun goes to sleep. Meera says. Ma says, Mum, I love the smell of fresh air. Meera says, I love the smell of flowers and the crunching sound of fallen leaves under my feet. The meaning of crunching means the sound of crushing something like food with teeth. Baba says, I can also smell something I love. A cup of milky cha. Baba sets off to chase the aroma of tea. The meaning of aroma means a pleasant smell or fragrance. Can we have 2 cups of tea, please? Asks Baba. And a small cup for Meera, please? Says Ma. Right away, says the cha wala Dada. He lights the stove with a match and places a pan of water on the fire. The water gets hotter and hotter. The tiny bubbles get bigger and bigger. The water starts boiling. Dada pours some milk into the pan with the boiling water. Ma, see how the milk shares its color with the water, says Meera. Now see what happens when the tea leaves are added, says Ma. Meera patiently waits for 2 minutes and then says in surprise, Oh, it is changing color again. Is the tea ready now, Dada? Meera asks. Almost ready, he says. Swuss, swuss, swuss. He pours 3 cups of tea through a strainer, leaving behind the little piles of sticky leaves. The meaning of strainer means a kitchen utensil with holes used for separating solid from a liquid. And the meaning of piles means to put a lot of things on top of something. Finally, he adds sugar. At home, this is Meera's job. When Ma and Baba make tea, she loves the tinkling sound of the spoon against the cups. Meera stares into the cups as the sugar disappears. Now look here, children, the meaning of stares is continuously looking at someone. And the word disappear means to be no longer seen, vanishes. Now it is ready, says Meera. Now children, let us learn some question and answers. Where does Meera run? Meera runs up the hill. Why does Meera ask her parents to hurry? Meera asked her parents to hurry so that they could reach the top before sunset. What sound do the fallen leaves make? The fallen leaves make a crunching sound. What does Baba set off to chase? Baba sets off to chase the aroma of tea. What does Baba ask Cha wala Dada? Baba asks Cha wala Dada 2 cups of tea and a small cup for Meera. What did Meera's Mira's mother loved the smell of fresh air. When does Mira say that now it is ready? When Mira saw that the sugar has disappeared, she tells her parents, now it is ready. I hope children you all must have understood the lesson. Do revise it at home. Thank you and God bless you.